Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a magnetic suction folding charging device that's supposed to charge my phone, my watch, and my headphones all at once. Okay, so let's see what we got going here. We have the device in here. We have a wire. Okay, and let's see. So this is the wire. Sorry, I'm just opening everything up over here. You probably can't see, but just trust me. I am taking everything out. Okay, so here is all the stuff that it came with. It came with this device here, which is the charging block for everything. Came with the instructions and came with a wire. So I'm going to have to plug this into a USB-C port, which I happen to have over here next to my computer. So let's see. That'll go. I'll just plug it in right there. Okay, and then we have the contraption here, so it's going to plug into this end one here. And it's cool because look at it. So it shows a picture of the AirPods, the watch, and the phone. And magically, check out what I have here. I have my watch, so that'll go up here. And look at that, it even has the little fold up. So if I'm sleeping or something, I can hook it up there and there. It's charging that. I'll put my, oops, I got too much stuff here. Put this on here, and there, it's charging both those at the same time. And unfortunately, I'm using my phone to record. Oh, you guys can't even see it, sorry. Oh, it's going up. Okay, there we go. So I plugged it in down here. Okay, sorry, I didn't realize you guys couldn't see. So here's the device. I have it here. This comes up and down. Oops, this goes up and down, so you can put your watch at any angle, because like when you're sleeping, you know, it has that sleep mode. So then I can put that there. I can put I'll move that around here. Put my headphones there, and those will charge. There. And then I would put my phone right there, and that would charge that. So you could charge all three items at the same time. I mean, how cool is that? That is a really nice little thing. And then when you're done charging for the day, so you only have one wire to charge everything, which is great for traveling. Oh my gosh, this is going to be the greatest thing ever. And then let me show you guys here. So look at that. So then when you're done and you're done traveling for the day, you can just fold this up, fold this around there, and kind of there, it sort of magnetizes itself together. And then you just take this and then the one little wire and plug it in wherever, and you're good to go. So nice, super thin, and everything does that whole inductive charging, so you're not having to plug wires in or anything except for that one wire to do everything. So I'm going to say this is super cool. Thumbs up from me, and it's going in my travel bag.